Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to add Facebook to Roku TV. Let's go. Open search. Find Facebook. Not found. The Facebook app for Roku does not exist. What to do? Open Settings, Network, About. Check your network. Your phone and your TV must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open Screen Mirroring, Always Allow. Open App Store or Play Store. Find and install Facebook app. Turn on screen mirroring on your phone. Open Facebook app on your phone. That's it. Now you know how to add Facebook to Roku TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.